All right, so we are here at Lamar Place looking at one of the 4 pools that we have. And you'll notice that right here is unit number A107. And that's the one we'll be doing a quick tour of today. Also want to point out that on the right, you have your own private, convenient access to the parking lot. Gotta love that. Now, moving in the front door of this home, you'll see some brand new flooring and of course, a fresh coat of paint. A nice sized window on the left here, letting in some natural light. And you'll see that this kitchen is big enough to be an eat-in kitchen with a nice dining table. You can turn the corner and that's where you'll see a full-size fridge, plenty of cabinet space with all new hardware handles, as well as a new surface on the countertops. And then you'll turn the corner and notice that this will be kind of your bedroom combined living room space with a nice new ceiling fan up there too, with all stainless steel hardware throughout the home. If you turn the corner, you'll see kind of a little hallway nook. And this is gonna be your bathroom here on the left with your own private vanity. Super clean, nice tile all the way around. And then a very large walk-in closet with a couple of rods and shelves in there. So that's it. Hope it helped. Come by and see us. Thanks.